industrial community and to the and they were all, I wish we had more time, sir, because they all come with a lot of enthusiasm to have an interaction. But I was told by officers we have to leave certain time. So we'll give some, we have a lot of Japanese companies here. I think I request Japanese Association President Sado-san to briefly, our Honorable CM Gar, despite he doesn't have time, he said, first let me have some inputs from the people, then I will talk. We planned first he was supposed to talk, and he is so concerned about you and your commitment to the state. Please answer, talk very briefly. We are running out of time. Please.
Okay, no.
Thank you.
Your Excellency, my name is Makoto Sado, Deputy Managing Director of THK India. I also serve as the chairman of Srishti Japanese Company Group called SJCG. I'd like to speak as a representative of SJCG today. First of all, I express my heartfelt congratulations to Your Excellency on winning the Assembly election 2024 and assuming the high office of Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh for fourth time. And I'm extremely honored to have an opportunity to meet Your Excellency so soon after the start of your administration. And I sincerely appreciate the government of Andhra Pradesh steadfast support for Japanese companies operating in Srishti. Your Excellency's commitment has been a cornerstone of our continued success and growth in this region. Thanks to the effort of the Dr. Senaridi, Srishti has an excellent infrastructure and good access to all ports, and I believe Srishti is one of the safest and cleanest industry park in India. This environment had led to more than 25 Japanese companies setting up operation here, making it the largest number of Japanese companies operating in industry park in India.
You carry on. You complete.
But
no problem, you take.
There are a few issues the Japanese companies are currently facing, critical issue. The first one is the pending of incentive. Some of our members companies had yet to receive the promised refund for the incentive granted by Your Excellency's previous administration. So we kindly request your administration to expedite the resolution of this pending. And there are also some more issues which affect our financial stability, disrupt business operations, and hamper productivity. Due to time constraints, I will not go into the detail today, but
We will have a separate meeting.
we have prepared later, and I would like to be happy if you would accept that I will pass it Your Excellency's secretary it later. And we firmly believe that addressing these issues will support companies' continued growth in Srishti and attract prospective investors. More Japanese will come to the Srishti. So Your Excellency's attention to this matter will solidify Andhra Pradesh's reputation as a prime destination for global investment. We are committed to contribution to economic development of Andhra Pradesh as a whole. I thank Your Excellency for taking time to listen to me. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sado-san. We have time for one more person to interact. So, Ajay, sorry, sir. Ajay representing Tore.
4-5 అయినా పర్లేదు 5 minutes.
Parallel, sir. Okay.
5 minutes.
MD-san, thank you so much for letting me welcome Honorable Chief Minister, and Chairman, and everybody else here. Just a few editorial comments on behalf of Tore, because I think we're one of the largest and oldest investors here. And so I just wanted to say welcome back to power and welcome back to serve people of Andhra Pradesh, which we really, really need. It was your governance and proactive can-do spirit and Chairman Raju's, MD Sanna Reddy's thoughtfulness and his crack team at Sri City, which attracted Toray Industries here in 2016. And in the last 8 years, we've built 3 plants. One of the plants has expanded to double the capacity, so it's kind of like 4 plants. We've got 200 people working here, over 1,000 crores invested, and Toray is going to celebrate 100-year centenary next financial year, and maybe we can celebrate with the 4th plant there. So Sri City has been good to us, and we've been good to Sri City in Andhra Pradesh. I just wanted to bring attention to the fact that in your last administration, and we expect this to be the case this administration, that you would have a war-footing focus on excellence in public governance, whose hallmarks are speed, which you of course have short and quick response time, transparency and accountability, and to ensure Andhra Pradesh sunrise status, as we had named our state 5-6 years ago. And in the next 5 years, may Sri City secure or land more than 400 companies, have create over 100,000 direct employees, and realize this vision of an integrated industrial business township. So we should accelerate momentum, economic and industrial momentum, by hosting in the near future a global investors summit, AP METI conclave, which was very successful, which all of us were part of, AP EDB trade shows and road shows in Japan, Korea, and USA this time, I hope, and to drum up investments for AP. The geopolitical situation around India and in Europe and in Middle East is not particularly good. I think we really need to be on war footing to move before things may turn negative. So Toray and I will be happy to assist you in any way we can, and we wish you all the best in this second inning. And it's good to see a young, strong industries minister. We hope he'll be able to turbocharge growth in our state.
Mr. Mittal from Isuzu, please be brief so that we can give opportunity for more people. Not to repeat the same. Yeah.
And we look forward for your continued support. We are very proud that you inaugurated our plant, you drove our car. And just to update you, Isuzu is now going to become the largest exporter of commercial vehicle from India. And we supply to GCC country. And we are the largest employee of girls. We have 20% women in our plant, which is one line is totally run by girls.